Hello everyone. If you need to offer different product sizes, colors, or styles, variants and colors in the back office make it easy. Let's walk through the setup step by step. If you don't see the areas coming up in the video, you'll need to install the free Product Matrix app. In the back office, open the App Store from the menu on the left. If you're prompted to, log in again. Search for Product Matrix and click on the app. This will open the app's details page. Now, press Get Free App to install. Once the app is installed, click Back to Back Office in the top left corner to return to your main dashboard. You'll need this to see your full menu. Let's set up your sizes and colors. Click the Bento menu, that's the grid icon at the top right. Then select Products. From the left-hand menu, choose Variants and Sizes. Enter a name for your variant map, for example, jumper sizes. Then, click Add. Next, under Add Items, enter each size individually and click the Add button to the right for each one. When you've finished adding your sizes, press Save. Now, let's create your colors. Go back to the left-hand menu and this time, click Colors. In the top right corner, click Add Color. Enter the color name and a code. If you don't have a code, just use any number. Press Add to save, or add another if you want to add more colors. Now that your sizes and colors are ready, let's apply them to your product. Find your main product, for example, your jumper, in the product list. Click the three dots next to the product and choose Advanced Edit. Let's start by duplicating the product by color. Scroll down to the Variants section. Under Duplicate Product with Color, select the color you just created. Then click Duplicate Product with Color. You'll now have new products for each color, like unisex jumper red, blue, and green. Now, let's apply your size variants. Pick one of the new color products, for example, jumper red. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Edit. Scroll down again to the Variants section. Under Create All Possible Variants, select your variant map. Then click Create Product for each variant. You'll now have separate products for each size, like jumper, red, large, medium, and small. Repeat this step for each color product you created. This method will keep your products neatly organized, making it easier for your team to serve your customers. And that's it. You've now set up your variants for sizes and colors. Here's a tip. You can pair the variants with multi-choice products, creating a seamless sales experience for your team. If you'd like to see how this is done, click the link in the description or check out our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.